Hello everyone. Today we will see that how we can use the cash register feature in our POS terminal. So for that, first of all, let's go to system settings and go to POS terminal. Click on security and enable the cash register engine and save the settings. Now, one more thing you have to do before starting the cash register feature. Go to payment methods, add a payment method. You can add many payment methods as much as you can, but make sure you must have this payment method cached in your list. Then only the cash register feature will work. Now I am adding card also. Okay, I have added two payment methods, one cash and card. Ensure if you will add this cash option, then only the cash register feature will work. Now let's go to the POS terminal. Now this time, if you will go to POS terminal after enabling cash register engine, then you will see an interface like this. The person on the counter will count the cash in the drawer and put the amount accordingly that from with how much amount he is starting to save. Let's say his drawer is currently having $20 and he is starting his shift with $20. Then click on open, then his shift will be opened. Now if this person if goes back and do any other stuff and other settings or anything like this, and if he go back again into POS terminal, then the session will not end till the time he will not click on this button of closing the shift. Okay, before closing the shift, let's make some purchase. Here, ensure to use the cash register completely. The payment method must be in cash. Now click on the amount received and click on confirm checkout. Now I have started the shift with $20 and I have made a purchase of $550 in cash. Then there must be $570 in the drawer. But when he was closing his shift, then he entered only $500 in drawer. The final amount in drawer is $500. Now, when he's click confirm, oh sorry, wait, I'm doing it again. Okay, now if he will close his shift with $500, then and confirm close, then you'll be clearly able to see the discrepancy he has done. Means the expected cash was $570 and the counter person has given the report of $500 only in drawer, and where the $70 has gone. This notification will immediately reach to the administrator. And if you want, then you can print a full report of this chat report, and you can lock the terminal again for the next person. With this feature, you can prevent your store from any type of purge or any type of scam. The counter person will have a proper count of money in cash in the drawer. So, for this, okay, this much for now. Thank you.